Okay, so I am at a very beautiful place called Bhondsi Nature Park, which is roughly 10 to 15 kilometers from Gurgaon, roughly 40 kilometers from Delhi and Delhi, central Delhi. And it's a beautiful place. I guess the whole green belt should be around 500 acres. This was built in 1980s as part of some, initiative of tourism and green belt. I don't exactly remember the name. And in terms of the beauty of the place is absolutely green and amazing. And but unfortunately, I guess there is no maintenance happening. This place is into ruins. See a flame back. Yeah, there's a flame back. So, and then I'm here trying to record the sounds and the ambient sounds or the soundscapes of Bhondsi Nature Park. Not really a species specific sounds, but yeah, the sounds are absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. I could record, shoot, or take pictures or make videos of roughly around 30, 35, 40 species and some nice sounds as well. The only challenge with the sound is there's a lot of noise. So we have to. I mean, that's the challenge of shooting closer to the nature park. So first, let's listen to the sounds that I recorded. And then I'll talk more about some of the facts about this place. So I'm trying to record the soundscapes of Bhondsi Nature Park. There, there are some beautiful birds are making some amazing sounds. I can see flameback just flying by. So out of 30 or 40 birds that I recorded, let's look at the list of things that I recorded. The red-winged bulbul, amazing sound, but it's a very common bird here. Oriental magpie robin, it's a beautiful sounding bird, found in abundance in this area. Copper-spit barbet and brown-headed barbet, they keep making calls all day. Laughing dove, Asian green bee eater is there in abundance. Today I recorded pied cuckoo. Wow, what an amazing bird! Asian koel makes some amazing sounds here. Summers is the time for Asian koel. Another star of the season is Indian golden oriole. I haven't recorded much of the sound, but not even the good shot. But I could see some good amount of golden oriole in this area. Then Indian peafowl, which is peacock, is there in abundance. Common manna is there. Purple sunbird is there. Greater kokol, which is also known as in a local term bhardwaj, makes some amazing sound. Coo 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 coo, amazing sound. Jungle babbler is there in abundance. Rose ring parakeet is there. And the star of the season is the Indian petta. There are a lot of Indian pettas making nest as of now, as it's a time for their breeding season, and you could hear their calling sound, which is very typical. Coo coo is the typical sound of Indian petta. It goes up and down. If you look at it in this spectrogram, it's a beautiful bird. In the local language, it is also known as navrang or narang because it contains 9 colors in its feathers in its body. That's why it's also known as. It's a migratory bird, by the way. It's not a local bird here. It's a migratory bird. So I'm here to record some of the sounds of mostly ambient sounds. I'm not recording the species specific sounds. I'm recording the ambient sound, and then while doing that, if I'm able to capture some of the specific species very loudly, yes, that's a bonus. So I'm using Mix 6, and with that I'm using the mic booster Clippy omnidirectional recording mics in a stereo mode, and I'm just recording anything and everything in 360-degree. So I'm sweating badly because the humidity is almost 80 to 90% as of now, because today morning it rained. It is the first rain of the monsoon in Delhi NCR. Oh, I can see Indian petta. Quick view. Okay, so yes, by the way, I just forgot to mention today morning I also saw spotted owl. Oh, amazing, beautiful sighting of spotted owl. Owl in any shape, form, species is always beautiful to spot. I don't know, for some reason I love to spot owls. Okay, now let's talk about some of the issues that I'm facing while I'm recording the sounds in this area, or in fact any area which is closer to the cities. People, they I don't know, for some reason people have the tendency of speaking loudly and shout when they are in a green area. Probably they get excited. So yeah, I mean, I'm not really blaming them, but for recording sounds, not good. And then the sounds or the noise of the vehicle, because this area is closer to the path or the road that goes to the temple. So the vehicles are passing by every few minutes. So that's an again very bad problem. The other problem is the planes passing by, because this area is quite closer to the international airport. So you see a lot of fly, and they that's another sound pollution. So that basically means a lot of post processing required at at my desktop. I don't know why you can hear so many birds singing around. Oh, see, see what a beautiful bird.